Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, fog lights, power door locks, trip computer, electronic stability control, day-night rear-view mirror, leather seats, outside temperature gauge, chrome rear bumper. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.